Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! For today's video ay itour namin kayo dito sa Manila Ocean Park. Bali, sa Klook kami nag-purchase ng ticket for Manila Ocean Park and nakaless kami ng 3% with the use of our code mark.sangatanan. You can also use our code mark.sangatanan to save 5% off on hotel bookings and 3% off sa mga activities.
And go directly inside the park. Presenting QR code. Sabi?
At ito, magpipicture muna ng mga bata bago kami pumasok sa loob.
Every attraction, scan yung ating QR code.
Pumila kami papasok ng Oceanarium para sa ating unang attraction. Sa gilid dito ay merong comfort room at retro grill diner. Meron ding photo booth malapit sa entrance ng Oceanarium. Just present your QR code sa entrance kung kayo ay nag-book online. We are now inside the Oceanarium, and this section is called the Jungle Trek Zone. Sa dulong part ng Oceanarium ay ang way papuntang trails to Antarctica. Pero dumiretso muna kami sa labas para manood ng Sea Lion Show and All-Star Bird Show.
Pilak, kailangan mo. 12:30 ka.
Start.
Klook pa lang ngayon haba, no? Oh, no! 7. 7. Aba, ang dami.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our flag racing bird, Jacko! Jacko is our mulugan kakatu. Scientific name is kakatuwa mo sa Sassy! Very good! And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky! Come on boys, let me hear your cheer! Rocky! Rocky! Let's go! Here comes Rocky on his first string. First score for Rocky! Another hit! What's happening? Sassy beating up the lyrics at the same time! How clever is that? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with trainer Vina and trainer JB. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends. Careful race. Almost there. Is that it? And this is the best part. Steady, yeah? Arriba! For the finale! Steady, and let's go! I want another applause for Sina and Press for the great dance number, and another one for the trainers as well. Kiss, Lima! We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with the
After ng show ay sunod namin pinuntahan itong World of Creepy Crawlies.
Mistake.
7. Pakanan.
Next up is the Super Toy Collection.
Wow! Danger. Ikaw na, danger. Entrance. Entrance eh. Danger ah. One. Wow! Ano yan? Oh, danger daw, danger. TikTok na yan. Bip, bip, bip. Ang pambansang... Diyan kayo, tayo kayo dyan. Kunwari, binubuhat nyo. Kunwari, binubuhat nyo.
Ay, sige.
Dali, mamaya.
Sana all.
Superman.
Ang second to the last attraction na pupuntahan natin ay ang Jellies Dancing Sea Fairies.
Ano?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Uy, ang ganda. Wow!
Ito, jellyfish.
Wow, ganda.
pabalik na tayo sa Trails to Antarctica. Ito ang huling attraction na ating pupuntahan dito sa Manila Ocean Park. Dito makikita ang Penguin Exhibit at ang Christmas Village.
Wala kami? Oo.
Nagkadupila din.
Oh, haba.
Uh-oh.
A few moments later.